Hi everyone, Jim Thomas here. I'm going to tell you a bit about what we're doing with the Come Up Empower project with DFAT and Solar Solutions. Our staff, our wonderful TCA staff, are in the field at the moment using our Solar Survey app that has been developed for this project under Mother Nature. So here is an example of one of the surveys we've done. So our staff are getting information on houses, their clans, the kitchen and the house garden, the residents, the solar lighting agreement, which is the contract required to sign. And it has been very good in getting the data we need. It's all in English and Tok Pisin, so our staff are very clear to themselves and also the stakeholders they're talking to and getting agreements from. In our villages, we have 2,690 houses to survey and get agreements from, and we are now monitoring the results coming in on our portal Mother Nature, which is here. This is showing that at the moment, our staff have surveyed nearly 80%, 2,076 houses have been surveyed, and this has shown us a lot about the age of the stakeholders, the condition of the houses, and House 6 in Mupun has just been surveyed. So all of this information is coming in live. I think this is Vincent and Jerry Sobin are uploading these surveys as we speak, which is very exciting. And we can see all the surveys that have been done by our staff: Caleb, Jerry, Nelson, Vincent, Patrick, Austin, Moxon, etc. And we're getting great information on the population of the villages, what title each village member has: a councillor, school mungie, ranger, research officer, and the population of each clan, which is really important data to collect and get better understanding of the culture and the ways of the people of the Torricelli Mountain Range Conservation Area. So that's how we are at the moment with Mother Nature. We're also looking at the map of where we are within PNG. So as you can see, we're up in the Torricellis here. Here are our surveys, or some of them. Just give you an example of one. I think this is a Makumba village surveyed by Moxon. Here's the house without the solar panel. We'll be getting post-survey information with the panels on the houses as well. 2 people in this house, and presently their main source of lighting is using solar torches. So this is all GPSed. We're getting great understanding with this fantastic technology, and we're very appreciative of this project with ESIP, DFAT and Solar Solutions. Thank you very much. See you next time.